Hi, this is Tanja Odzak with Keller Williams
and Irana
with your weekly market movement for Oakland, Berkeley, and Piedmont. So your weekly market temperature check for the East Bay. Inventory levels are still super low. They haven't changed much since December. Interest rates are also still really low, which should help keep and maintain that buyer interest strong. There are still not enough homes for the number of buyers that are out there looking to buy homes. Multiple offer situations are the norm right now. I mean, it's kind of always been true out here, but I'm talking like 15, 20, 30 offers are what you should expect to find yourself in for your average, really pretty nice, good condition home. But with that being said, even in a hot market, not all homes are the same hotness. It all depends on the location, the condition of home, and what the actual product is, like what kind of home is it? And all that will factor into how hot a home is, even in the hottest of markets. So Oakland currently has 211 single family homes listed for sale on the market right now. This is up 1% from the previous week, putting it at 2/3 of a month worth of inventory. It's taken an average of 29 days for a house to get into contract right now. Keep in mind, this is an average. Many houses do go into contract much faster than this. Last week, 50 homes were sold for an average sales price of $1,152,000. For condos and townhouses, Oakland has 115 listed for sale on the market right now. This is down 9% from the previous week, putting it at 9/10 of a month worth of inventory. It's taken an average of 29 days for a condo to get into contract right now. Last week, 17 were sold for an average sales price of $722,000. Berkeley. Currently, Berkeley has 35 single-family homes listed for sale on the market right now. This is down 15% from the previous week, putting it at 0.55 months worth of inventory. It's currently taken an average of 23 days for a home to get into contract. Last week, 13 were sold for an average sales price of $1,830,000. For condos and townhouses, Berkeley currently has 20 on the market right now. This is up 25% from the previous week, putting it at 2.5 months worth of inventory. It's currently taken an average of 37 days for a condo in Berkeley to get into contract right now. Last week, 2 were sold for an average sales price of $625,000. I want to point out here the average days on market for these 2 sold homes, which is 62. I just kind of provide some clarity on that as to what I meant. So again, this is an average, but one of these condos was in contract within 5 days, and the other one was on the market for 119 days before it went into contract. So I just wanted to point that out, because that's what I mean when I say that not all homes are the equivalent hotness. Piedmont. Currently, Piedmont has 5 single-family homes listed for sale on the market right now. This is the same 0% change as the previous week, putting it at 7/10 of a month worth of inventory. It's currently taken an average of 24 days for a home to get into contract, and last week, 0 were sold. So whether you are a buyer or a seller, that data is going to mean different things. If you have any questions as to how all that relates to you, feel free to reach out to me, Tanja Odzak with Keller Williams. Otherwise,
like the like button, press the subscribe button, and click the notification bell.
Thank you.